Hey Carter, what does Daddy have for you? Can you swallow it? It's like just hanging out in his mouth. Oh, and it's gonna go all over the... Is that delicious? Say, Dad, I just got a bath. Let's try not to get me too messy.
One more bite. One more bite. Please, please, please. One more bite.
One more bite. Well, the good news is I don't think he hates it. Is that yummy, Carter? But that's a huge bite, babe. Is that good?
Is that good, Cardis?